What's going on, guys? I'm back from school, eating some candy. I got a sour sweet. I got sour too. I'll show you how sour it is. And, predict if you think my face will go sour. 3, 2, 1. I'm eating it. It's sour, but it's really nice. My friend William made a video later about Minecraft, probably. Maybe, I don't know. It's really nice, but I don't know. Get some of these. Oh, what a tin. I might do a thank you lots video today. Oh. Really nice. It's chewy.
Lucy's been talking about his party then today.
Yeah. I'm going to a party tomorrow, guys. I'm going to Lucius's party. And I'm going on a trip on Thursday. Tomorrow there's a party. Next day I'm going on a trip to go out.
You won't.
Yeah. 25th of May I'm going to another party. Bowling party. But they're both bowling. Good. Well, I'll do Lanky Box video. Peace. See you guys. Wait. I'll do part 3 of my movie today. Later. So, peace. Bye.